Today I am going to discuss about some pins or some instruction of 8085. At first, the function of ready pin. Ready pin is used by microprocessor to detect whether a peripheral has completed the data transfer or not. The main function of this pin is to synchronize slower peripheral to faster microprocessor. If a ready pin is high, the microprocessor will complete the operation and process for the next operation. If ready pin is low, the microprocessor will wait until it goes to high. Now the function of stack pointer. In 8085, the stack pointer is a 16-bit register that is used to point into memory representing the stack. The special instructions like push and pop can be used to save data temporarily in the stack. Additionally, when subroutines are called or when an interrupt occurs, the old execution address is automatically saved in the stack and restored when the subroutine or the interrupt service subroutine ends. Now the operation of SOD and SID lines in 8085. Serial input output is used for data transfer between a peripheral device and microprocessor. Since microprocessor perform internal operations in peripheral, conversion of data from peripheral to serial is required to provide communication between the microprocessor and the serial input output. The 8085 provides serial input output capabilities via serial input data on SID and the SOD serial output data line. One can transfer data to or from the SID or SOD lines using the instruction RIM and SIM. Now the function of instruction register. This is used to hold the current instruction in the processor while it is being decoded and executed in order for the speed of the whole execution process to be reduced. This is the time needed to access the instruction register is much less than continual checking of the memory location itself. Now, what is instruction queue? Instruction queue This allow the next instructions or data to be fetched from memory while the processor is executing the current instruction. The memory interface is usually much slower than the processor execution time. So this decouples the memory cycle time from the execution time. Difference operation of 8085. Although the 8085 is the 8-bit processor, it has some 16-bit operations. Any of the three 16-bit register pair BC, DE, HL or S3 could be loaded with an immediate 16-bit value using LXI, increment and decrement using INX or DCX, or add to HL using DAD. LHLD loaded HL from directly address memory, and SHLD store HL directly like this. The exchange operation exchange the values of HL and D